If you're looking into buying a home in a rural area, you may be eligible for financing up to 100% from the Arkansas, or rather from the United States Department of Agriculture. So Senior Vice President of Bank of Little Rock Mortgage, Lee Maris, will join us a little bit later on to explain how that program works.
Okay. If you're looking to buy a home in a rural area, you may be eligible for financing for up to 100% from the United States Department of Agriculture. Senior Vice President of Bank of Little Rock Mortgage, Lee Maris, is here to explain the ins and outs of this program and what a great opportunity it would be for Arkansans.
A lot of homes in rural areas here in Arkansas, so maybe something to take advantage of.
From the station that's on your side, this is Channel 7 News Good Morning Arkansas.
9:46 is the time. Hey, if you're looking at buying a home in a rural area, and we are a rural state, you may be eligible for financing for up to 100% from the United States Department of Agriculture. Senior Vice President of Bank of Little Rock Mortgage, Lee Maris, is here to explain it all, the ins and outs, and why this program is so beneficial. Lee, welcome back into the studio, man. Thanks for being here. Yeah, you too. So give our audience the rundown. What is this program, and why has it become available?
Well, it's designed for low to moderate income families.
Okay.
It's like you said, it's insured or guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. It's 100% loan, zero down. You know, it's primary residence only.
Okay.
Arkansas being a rural state, I mean, there's a lot of ground out there, you know, not here in Little Rock.
Sure, yeah.
Obviously.
That's yeah, like right here, not eligible, but
not eligible.
You mentioned it's a rural state. I mean, 10 minutes, 15 minutes that way.
Lonoke.
You start getting at Lonoke, Scott, you know, Keogh. You start getting England. And you go up north, El Paso, Austin you mentioned. So there are a lot of eligible places around here that are just outside the metro that people can maybe take advantage of getting this kind of deal.
Absolutely. Benton and Bryant used to be our honey hole, but they're no longer eligible.
They're growing pretty quickly down there. Yeah, that's understandable. Because what's the cap on population?
About 35,000.
Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea.
And there, you know, there's an interactive map. You can go on the USDA's website and put an address in. It'll tell you if it's eligible or not.
Okay, so we talked about location eligibility, but what about other eligibility requirements for people out there?
You know, you pretty much got to have about a 620 credit score.
Okay.
Every occupant of the household, we count their income, and that can't be over $82,700.
When you say everyone, you mean?
I mean you and your wife,
kid
who's 18 working, grandma. So we take all the income.
If she gets Social Security or any kind of other benefits.
Right.
So all that income can't exceed $82,000.
Correct. Which to me is not that low.
Yeah.
I mean, 82 is pretty good.
I was wondering about that number. Yeah. And another thing too that's great, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer here, right?
No, don't have to be a first-time home buyer. Now you can't own other property.
Okay.
But I mean, this could be your second or third home.
Okay, so we got income eligibility. What about limitations of what you can do with a home loan like this? Anything out there that might
well, you can't throw a car loan on there with it, you know, or anything like that. I mean, but you can. I mean, you can, if it appraises higher, you can roll in closing cost.
Okay.
There are
repairs?
Yeah, you can do some repairs, some rehab. You know, you can.
Some of these rural places might, you know, might need a few repairs.
Yeah,
it's understandable.
Exactly.
Right? Yes,
and then, you know, some personal property like refrigerator, stuff like that can be included. So it's pretty liberal as far as, you know, a home loan goes and kind of what we're used to.
All right. What about, let's see, we talked about how the loan can be used, home repairs, household equipment. What about refinancing?
Yes, you can refinance.
Okay.
I'll have to check on this, but I'm pretty sure it already has to be an RD loan.
Okay.
So,
which is what exactly?
Rural development.
Rural development.
Rural development.
Okay.
Right.
All right. And another thing, whenever someone is looking at something like this, what should be their first step? If they want to take advantage of this kind of opportunity, what do they need to do? What's the process like?
It's the same as any other loan process. I mean, go on our website. We have applications that you can complete online or give us a call. Now, the lenders, not every lender in the state is approved by USDA or RD.
Okay.
You have to be an approved lender, and Bank of Little Rock is.
Now, Bank of Little Rock, you guys have locations?
Yes. Little Rock, North Little Rock, Maumelle, Benton, Russellville.
Go into one of the offices. What do they need to bring with them when they come in? What is
usually, you know, last 2 years' tax returns, a couple pay stubs, driver's license, bank statements. Just it's a normal loan like we do any other loan.
But we're saying really a great opportunity out there.
Oh, absolutely. For most of Arkansas.
Yeah, exactly.
100%.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Being a rural state like we are.
Yeah.
Well, Lee, thanks for coming in this morning.
Sure.
And once again, you can contact Bank of Little Rock Mortgage anytime. They'll take great care of you. You can follow them on Facebook and Twitter at BLR Mortgage is the place to follow. Or you can go to blrmortgage.com or call 501-219-9100.